Click on the link below to get price. The Electric Embroidery Machine with a 7-inch LCD touch display is a computerized tool designed for those who appreciate the art of embroidery. This machine is engineered to cater to both beginners and experienced embroiderers, making it a versatile addition to any crafting space. At first glance, the 7-inch LCD touch display stands out as a user-friendly interface. This display not only enhances the machine's functionality but also allows users to easily navigate through various settings and options. The larger screen provides ample space to view designs clearly and makes selecting different embroidery patterns a straightforward process. One notable feature of this machine is its capability to handle a variety of embroidery designs. The machine comes with multiple built-in embroidery patterns, enabling users to explore different styles and techniques. These designs can be easily accessed and modified using the touch display. Additionally, the machine supports USB connectivity, allowing users to import custom designs, thus expanding their creative possibilities. The embroidery area measures 4 inches by 4 inches, which is adequate for most small to medium-sized projects. This size allows for the creation of intricate designs without overwhelming the user. Furthermore, the machine is equipped with an automatic needle threader, a time-saving feature that simplifies the setup process. This can be particularly helpful for those who may find threading needles challenging. In practice, the Electric Embroidery Machine is relatively easy to use. After initial setup, users can select their desired design and begin the embroidery process. The machine operates smoothly, with consistent stitching quality, which is essential for achieving professional-looking results. It is worth noting that familiarity with the machine may take some time, particularly for those who are new to embroidery, but this learning curve can be tempered with practice and exploration of the various features. In conclusion, the Electric Embroidery Machine with a 7-inch LCD touch display serves as a reliable tool for embroidery enthusiasts. Its user-friendly interface, diverse design options, and efficient features contribute to a satisfying crafting experience. Whether you are looking to create personalized gifts, home decor, or simply enjoy the art of embroidery, this machine provides a solid foundation for your creative endeavors. Its thoughtful design and functionality may make it a valuable asset in your crafting toolkit.